Look what I've got. Ryan is there watching me like, what the hell is he doing? And Ryan is on the bed already because he just came back from his long shift. And I was like, can you carry the box with me upstairs? It's meant to be good for long period of gaming, really. So
I'm excited to sit in it even though I don't game.
yeah, you'll have to try it. He will be here all the time. And I'm still sweating, so I've put the fan on too.
Can you see if I turn this light off? Please? Hello, everyone.
Nah.
Oh. It's burning my retina.
I know. Just close your eyes. That's better. Right. Because you would definitely see what's in it when I'm moving it like that. Ooh. That is good, actually.
Do you want chocolate?
Do you want chocolates? Yeah. What the hell are you doing?
It's like a bumble.
After a curry night. I got the regular size because I am tiny. I meant to get the smaller one, but I thought if I got a regular one I'll have more space. Basically IKEA for a chair. It has everything on it there. They've got this logo here. It's like certified. If you bought they've got like different anime chairs. And the back of this, you'll have the art of the anime, so you can frame it if you want. Ooh. Oh. Fuck. Ooh. So squishy. The quality is so good. You get the leather cleaner, which I didn't order.
It's like tea for chili as well.
Tea for chili, yeah, because Ryan was like, oh, do you like customize it? It's like, no, that's the name of the thing. Titan. I'm just pulling things out without actually reading the damn thing. Ooh. Right. Wheels. Where's the wheels? Ooh. This is really well packed, by the way. Like everything's in boxes and cardboard, plasticky things. Too early for this. Ooh, sponge. You can do your yoga thing. You know when you put your neck on it. Oh. Oh, is that it?
We used to call them split flops as well when we doing dance.
Oh yeah, the one you put it
like
under.
If you could already do the splits. And you wanted to increase your flexibility, you would put it like under your heel so you go past the splits. So like so.
I
I've got joint problems.
I just have a joint problem. Just from a good night's sleep. Right, so tires. The tires are really good. It's like anti-slip on it. Tires. Oh yes. It's that easy. Ooh, so luxurious. It is. Like, look at it.
You've wanted one of these for ages, haven't you?
I did want to, yeah. I was looking at them because I've got a lot of channels on my Instagram, just looking at people like having setups and things like that. And I've always wanted this chair because you can change things to it, so it's not like fixed design kind of thing, which I like.
Didn't you want one back in Saudi?
No, because I wasn't really looking into getting anything really. Oh, we got a toolkit here as well. Skip run.
So you'll be hearing some strange noises coming out of me, guys. I do apologise.
As long as it doesn't come the other way. This. surfaces. Oh, it'd be so nice. That's the heavy bits. Tea break. I'm back. Ooh. Oh, so squishy. The harder the better. Ow, 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 ow. I might need you here. That way.
Just hold it.
Just hold it, yeah, and push it down gently. Oh, wait. Because the weight's locking it. If you wanna, I'll do this and you sit here. Go that way. Yeah? Push it down. Keep pushing it down.
I can't.
Okay, come here. Thank you. Oh. Everything they got here, it's magnets. Literally just put them on and you can go. Ooh. There's like a thingy you collect. Child safety. I don't need it. Even though I'm a child. But can you see it? These are good because if you know, when you use it a lot, it gets ripped, so then you can buy new ones if you want, and there's different colours, and you just pop them back. And the cushion as well. Moment of a bum truth.
Oh, is it fully secure?
Oh my, it fixes my back, if you know what I mean. It literally is. Oh my god. Do you know the legs of them? It's flat, so you can put your foot on it, and it's not like pointy, so it doesn't stab your foot as well. Let's see what I can do. Right, so the armrests. Let's see what I can do with the armrests. they go front. This front. They go back. And what's this? What does this button do? What does this button do? Oh, right. So there's levers on the side here. Them up and down. It's like in the bottom. And what does this do? Oh, yeah. So the one on the side here, still everything like metal. Black metal is really good. Feels so premium. It's unbelievable. I don't know about this. Ooh, yeah. See, there's the side buttons here, which is the only bit that's plasticky. Goes inside and outside like that to make it closer. Oh, it feels so good. What else do we have? Tension adjustment, which is the wheel on the bottom. I'm going to see how and why I'm going to use that. Turn the knob clockwise to loosen the rocking. Oh, okay. So if I want it to rock like that, so I've got a bit of a rock here. I don't want it to go longer than that. I don't think. Not now. If I'm bored, obviously, I'll push it further. So what else did I needed to check? Which is the main bit. Because when I checked about the sizing, it did not tell me exactly. What is it? Armrests. Oh, so I can actually go beneath the chair and use the screws to make the armrests go a bit wider out, or maybe in as well. See if it's, yeah, I can, because there's a bit of a wiggle room. So I can make it a bit smaller or wider as well, so which is good, but you need to use screws for that. And that's the important bit here. It's a bit awkward actually position. It's the lumbar support thing. The one on the left side is the height, and the one on the right is the curvature. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Oh yes, you can feel it actually. It's sticking out now here. So for your lower back, the tilt. Ooh. So now all the way back, I can lock it and it stays in. See it? So I can go flat as well.
Oh God. Let's have a nap.
See how flat it is? And I just put a little bit down, like, take 5. That's really nice. See? Don't know what I'm gonna do now. The height. So this is really high, like, my toes are touching the floor, if you can see it. But then, because as I said to you, I meant to get the small because it's my size. But then when it's all the way down, I'm flat. So that helps your lower back as well as your legs, so there's no tension. And the chair is not really stabbing you. So do you remember when I said you can cross your legs as well if you want to sit on the chair like that? So I can just sit like that, no problem. I'm going to enjoy working from home tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
You can fix that.
It's like so stable.
Isn't it?
You smell on it.
Sniff test. Yeah, push back.
Ooh! Yeah.
And then locked it. There you go.
Oh, that cushion's amazing.
Isn't it? Just come up. Right.
Isn't, I'm expecting it like to make like noise as it comes up, you know, like.
So the skins are really good as well. You can. I got leather, and then I can buy the skins as for like Game of Thrones or House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon is not out yet. I think it's only a chair you can buy, but it was out of stock, so I just got the stealth one. You can buy Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Slytherin, or whatever Harry Potter skins you've got, or any anime as well. The Witcher, Assassin's Creed, and you can literally put the fabric on and just zip it, and then you can use it and then take it, wash it, and put it back. So this is why I got this tray, because I can customize it. Anyway, it's here. It's brilliant, and I love it. And we've got tea here for Tilly. But yeah, so that can move as well. Like that's the lowest, and that's the highest. So anyway, I'll do a close up of it. But yeah, thank you for watching and go buy the chair. Maybe not.
Good night.
Well, he says, only your head barely came out. Bye.